price of tobacco just seems to keep dropping.
Yep, that's
Quite some poster, eh? If I looked like that, I would have pursued a more dishonest path myself. Try looking for that one out by Catfish Jackson's. And when you get him and his cronies, tell them that we're just railway workers here, not instruments of tyranny or however they phrase it. The imbeciles.
This bounty raider with all the M's and L's in his name. You must know something about him.
Camille De Millemont. He's French, but he's no gentleman. Whole pack of raiders are savages, if you ask me. Good riddance to them.
If I'm going to go after this bounty, the raider, I'll need more information.
The bounty's for De Millemont, you see. But, look, you won't find just him. He'll have a whole band of boys with him, so be wary.
Hey, I'm always wary. Well, I got a bounty to chase.
Feel free to kill them. Poster says you can. Hello again.
Oh, dear. I'm sorry there. Come on, girl.
How do you do? The hell they put in my food?
Yeah, there's a girl. There, girl. Yeah. Yeah, you good, girl? Yeah, good girl. Yep. Easy there, girl. You all right, girl? Shh, girl.
Good work, my friends. I am proud of you all. That will send a clear message. Let's hitch the horses.
Someone's coming. Might be about that warrant.
You will pay for killing my men! God damn you! Those men were heroes!
Tell me if this ain't tight enough. This is very kind of you.
Get your filthy rope off me, you peasant! You're making a big mistake.
Yep.
Release me right now! I have committed no crime. I fight for your country.
Okay, my girl.
You seek to deny my freedom when I fight for yours?
I seek to get paid, that's all.
What are they offering? $100? 200?
I wish you was worth 100. You're a cheap son of a bitch. I almost didn't bother.
What? There must be some mistake. My name is Camille De Millemont.
Yeah, well, blame your parents for that, not me.
I am no criminal. I fight for you, for all of us, for our future.
You don't fight for me. And the future? Well, that won't be a concern of yours for much longer.
Turning on each other. This is what they want. Don't you see that? Come on, don't be an errand boy for the gutless state.
Worst mistake you can make is thinking you're better than the next man. That's when you get sloppy and end up on the back of a horse heading straight for the gallows.
We gonna save you! Millemont, they ain't taking you to stop.
Here they are! Here's where we wipe that smile off your face, bounty hunter!
Raider done?
Boys, kill this son of a bitch!
Keep the fire on them and move in. You gonna regret tying me up. Cocksucker!
You don't mind, do you?
Goddamn!
Come on, then. Let's get...
What in Christ's name? You gonna be real sorry you done this.
Well, been a pleasure.
There'll be more where they came from, believe me! I am a realist, that's all. People need hierarchy. They crave it. It is the foundation of civilization.
Well, I guess I just ain't that civilized then. Here we are.
You're making a big mistake. We're on the same side.
No, we ain't.
Anyways. Well, anyways. Well,
I got De Millemont, and he ain't happy about it.
Strike me down.
Sheriff!
Put him in the cell then.
You are a traitor, Sheriff Thomas. Sending this Yankee against your own.
Quiet down. That's always been all you's problem. Too damn noisy for folks' good. That's what we'll pay for him.
I guess that's what I'll have to accept then.
You have not seen the last of us. Let me go! I'm fighting for you out there!
You are surely starting to grate on me.
My old lady dang near threw me out our shanty.
Sheriff,
Hey, boy.
that's just the way it goes, I guess.
I worked long and hard to make this town on its path, and you weren't gonna pull us off it.